This is my 2003 Bombardier DS650 I picked up a couple years ago. I got a great deal on it, but as you can see, it's missing a bunch of parts. Both front wheels, missing the rear wheels, missing the rear hubs, sprocket, all kinds of stuff. But it does run. I had it running. I just picked this up maybe a week ago. This is a 2000 Bombardier DS650. This is the Baja. This is the plain version. I picked this one up fairly cheap as well, like 500 bucks. And this has got a bad crankshaft. I got a lot of engine parts though that are good on this. We're gonna go ahead and strip the wheels off, use everything on this one because I'd rather have the Baja than that one anyways, and that way I don't have to swap engines. Halfway done, we got the front end. Now we got to do this rear swing arm here. Good thing Milwaukee tools are tough. They're getting a little wet. She's a roller. Whoa, yeah, we're gonna clean out the air box because that's a big old mouse nest in there. Yummy. So I know I still need to change the handlebars. These things are really bent. Those are good on that one, but I'm going to try this thing. So you want to know how fast the Bombardier DS650 Baja is? So don't I. We'll go ahead and do a top speed run on the GPS on that DS650, see how fast she goes. Thing's got some power, however, the front end is pretty heavy. I mean, it'll wheelie, but you gotta do a little body English to get it up and keep it up. And this thing's just a wheelie monster, the 350X. Of course, only one wheel in the front. First through sixth gear, that front end's coming up on this one. It's not the case on the DS650, but I think power slides like no tomorrow. Take it easy on the way up, and then on the way back we'll do the top speed. hit 73 miles an hour on the GPS. It had a little more, I'm pretty sure, but we got to do some tuning to that carb. It cut out on me a little bit. It seemed to be lacking some fuel, so we got to do that next. But other than that, she moves pretty good. One little mistake there. A little tuning on that, and then the 350X, I gotta do some swing arm bearings in this, but I'd like to line these two up, see how they do. I have to wait until my brother gets over here or something, or somebody that can ride one of these things.